in northwestern New Jersey, Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, east central Lehigh County. Through their quick care pound, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kivalon, East Stroudsburg, Hackett, Down, and Quick Care Pound. For your protection, thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania.